fake it to Weaver, throwing right side. They got Dykes wide open. Touchdown, Tigers. Here's the snap. Lavatai's going to throw, and he's going to get sacked. Back at the 18-yard line. Here's the snap. Watkins, and he'll give it on a reverse to an end around. It's Calvin. Calvin to the 40, beats everybody. Down the right sideline, 50, 40, 30, yes. 20, 10. He skipped right by one guy into the end zone. Touchdown, Tigers. He does it on the last play of the quarter. 69 yards. Hannigan gives the ball to Watkins. No, fakes it, throws over the middle. Wide open at the 50, 40, 30, right sideline, 20, 10. Touchdown, Tigers. They do it again. Memphis a winner, 35-17.